Lesson: Telecommunications and Digital Marketing, CAN-SPAM CPA. Telecommunications and digital marketing are pivotal in today's business environment, with the integration of federal privacy laws like the CAN-SPAM Act, Customer Proprietary Network Information Regulations, and the Telephone Consumer Protection Act playing a crucial role in shaping practices within these fields. These regulations are designed to protect consumers' privacy while ensuring that businesses can effectively communicate and market their products. Understanding these laws and implementing them correctly is critical for companies to maintain compliance, avoid legal pitfalls, and build consumer trust. The CAN-SPAM Act, enacted in 2003, sets the rules for commercial email and messages, giving recipients the right to have businesses stop emailing them, and spells out tough penalties for violations. This legislation applies to all commercial messages, which the law defines as any electronic mail message, the primary purpose of which is the commercial advertisement or promotion of a commercial product or service. The law does not just apply to bulk email. It covers all commercial messages. A practical approach to compliance includes maintaining a robust system for managing email lists and opt-out requests. Companies should ensure that each email contains a clear and conspicuous explanation of how the recipient can opt out of getting emails in the future. The opt-out mechanism must be able to process requests for at least 30 days after the message is sent and should be honored within 10 business days. To streamline these processes, businesses can employ email marketing platforms that automatically handle opt-out requests and ensure compliance with the CAN-SPAM Act. Customer proprietary network information refers to the data that telecommunications companies collect about their subscribers. This includes details such as the timing, duration, and frequency of calls, as well as the type of services purchased by the consumer. The Federal Communications Commission regulates how telecom companies can use this information, mandating that they must protect the confidentiality of CPNI and obtain customer consent before using it for marketing purposes. To comply with CPNI regulations, companies should implement strong data governance frameworks. This involves conducting regular audits of data access logs to ensure that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive information. Additionally, businesses should provide regular training programs for employees to stay updated on privacy policies and procedures. Moreover, adopting technological solutions such as encryption and access control systems can help secure CPNI and prevent unauthorized access. The Telephone Consumer Protection Act was enacted in 1991 to address the increasing number of telemarketing calls and the use of automated dialing systems. The TCPA restricts telemarketing calls, auto-dialed calls, pre-recorded calls, text messages, and unsolicited faxes, requiring companies to obtain prior express consent from consumers before making such communications. A practical application of TCPA compliance is the implementation of a consent management system. This system should capture and document consent from consumers, ensuring that it is specific, informed, and unambiguous. Companies should also establish and maintain a do not call list, updating it regularly to respect consumer preferences. Engaging in regular compliance checks and audits can help identify potential gaps in TCPA adherence and mitigate risks associated with non-compliance. These federal privacy laws not only impose restrictions, but also present opportunities for businesses to build trust and loyalty with their customers. By respecting consumers' preferences and protecting their data, companies can differentiate themselves in a competitive market. For instance, a case study of a telecommunications company that successfully implemented these regulations revealed significant improvements in customer satisfaction and retention rates. The company adopted a customer-centric approach by integrating compliance into their marketing strategies, leading to a 20% increase in customer loyalty within a year. While the legal requirements are clear, understanding how to apply them in a business context can be challenging. This is where frameworks and practical tools come into play. The Privacy by Design framework, for instance, offers a proactive approach to embedding privacy into the development and operations of business processes. This framework emphasizes the importance of considering privacy at every stage of product development and operations, ensuring that privacy is integral to the organization's culture and practices. By adopting privacy by design, organizations can ensure that compliance with regulations like CAN-SPAM, CPNI, and TCPA is not an afterthought, but a fundamental aspect of their operations. Moreover, technology can be leveraged to automate and streamline compliance efforts. For example, customer relationship management systems can be configured to manage consent records, track communication preferences, and automate opt-out processes. These systems can also integrate with marketing platforms to ensure that campaigns are tailored to consumer preferences and comply with relevant regulations. Additionally, data analytics tools can be employed to monitor compliance and identify trends that may indicate potential violations. By using these tools, businesses can proactively address compliance issues before they escalate into legal challenges. Statistics underscore the importance of compliance in telecommunications and digital marketing. According to a study by the Data and Marketing Association, non-compliance with email marketing regulations can result in fines of up to $43,280 per violation. Similarly, TCPA violations can lead to penalties ranging from $500 to $1,500 per unsolicited call or message, highlighting the financial implications of non-compliance. These figures demonstrate the necessity of integrating compliance into business practices to avoid substantial financial repercussions. In conclusion, telecommunications and digital marketing professionals must navigate a complex landscape of federal privacy laws, including CAN-SPAM, CPNI, and TCPA. By understanding these regulations and implementing practical tools and frameworks, businesses can ensure compliance, protect consumer privacy, and build trust. The integration of compliance into business operations not only mitigates legal risks, but also enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty. By leveraging technology and adopting proactive privacy strategies, companies can successfully address the challenges of compliance and thrive in the digital age.